introduce myself, my name is Dara Puspitasari. I'm from class 8F and I'm from junior high school is SMP 1 Dayakolot. Pirate crocodile. Long time ago, in Lampung area, many people disappeared because there were crocodiles. These crocodiles are river dwellers. One day, the people around lost a beautiful girl named Amina, but there is no clue about Amina's loss. At the same time, in a large cave, a girl's body was laying down. It turned out that the girl was Amina who had just woken up from fainting. She's trying to get up and walk when she heard a sound and saw a very large crocodile. The crocodile said, "Don't be afraid. I am a crocodile, but I am human like you too." Even though the crocodile was keen to hear, she hopes she can leave the crocodile and come back to his hometown soon. Amina pretended to obey the crocodile but secretly waiting for the opportunity to run. One moment, the crocodile fell asleep and left the cave door open. Amina immediately used the opportunity to get out through the tunnel. When exploring the tunnel, she saw sunlight. She is very happy that she can get out of the cave. Amina finally can go back to her village safely. Thank you.